I went for a convention with some of my fellow writers at Adeyipo village. The village is known for having one of the largest libraries. It has quite a big library. The night we were there, I got inspired to write this poem, The Sounds and Sights at Adeyipo. Sounds and sights at Adeyipo. The cackling of the firewood, the chirping of the crickets, the melodies from the birds, the roaring hum of the generator, the strumming of a guitar, voices rising up to the sky, all at Adeyipo. The sandy ground spread all around, alternating with the green grass. In the garden, some are straight and tall. Some are straight with many arms. In the garden, some are fair, some are dark. Some are short, some are tall. Peaceful darkness. The moonlight rays shining through the windows. All at Adeyipo.